Imagine turning a simple idea into a realistic video like this, or this, and even this. And the best part is, you can create videos like this with AI too. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create stunning AI videos like this, even if you have never used AI before. Let me show you how. Step 1. Generate the image. First, we need to create the image that will become our video scene. You can generate prompts using ChatGPT to get detailed results. Then head over to grok.com and click on Imagine. As you can see, these are videos that are generated by other creators. Now come over here and select image. You can choose the aspect ratio by clicking on this drop down arrow. I'll go ahead and choose 9:16 since I want to create a vertical video. Then paste your prompt and hit send. One good thing I love about Grok is that it will give you multiple images to choose from. I will select this. Look at how clear the water is. You can actually see the sunlight filtering down and dancing across the sand and coral. Even the smallest details on the ocean floor, like the starfish, seashells, and smooth rocks, make the scene feel alive. It really feels like you are seeing a real underwater world. And that's not all. As you can see, you can click here to generate more images like this. Or you can go ahead and click on make video to animate it. Give it a few minutes to generate the video. Look at this. It looks incredibly realistic. Watch how the fish moves through the coral reef, each one waving naturally with the current. Look at how the soft corals and sea plants sway gently as the water flows. And notice the sunlight beams shifting across the sandy seabed. And the interesting part is that Grok actually added a music. If I should click on this, you can actually hear the sound, but I don't want to play it because I want to avoid copyright issues. Now let's try another design. And I'm going to show you another method on creating videos using Grok AI. So make sure you pay attention. We will follow the same method. I'll paste the prompt here to generate the image. Look at this lion is generated for us. Now let's animate it. So let me show you the second method to animate your image. So I'll go ahead and download it by clicking on this download button. Okay, so to animate our image of lion, what you are going to do is that you're just going to click on video and then you click on this plus sign to add your image. So I'm going to click on animate images. I'll select the image of the lion we just downloaded. You can go ahead and describe how you want it to animate the image. Then choose the resolution and the duration of the video. You can also click here to choose your aspect ratio. After that, simply click on generate. This scene feels like a real wildlife documentary shot. Simply click here to download it. Now let's take more examples. I'll select this. Let's go ahead and animate it. Look closely at the cat eyes and whiskers. The reflection and shadows makes it feel like this cat is actually in someone's living room. You can see how it even jumped out from the sofa looking so realistic. Even the small details on the background, the rock texture, the coffee table, the plants near the window, everything makes it to look very realistic. So I actually went ahead to generate other videos like this one. Watch the way the bicycle wheels spin as the cat rides forward. That little detail makes the whole scene feel alive. Look at this one too. You can actually see spark flying where the metal hits. Like these warriors have already been through battles. Even the background smoke and the torn banners moving in the wind make the whole battlefield feel intense and realistic. Let's try one more design. I'll simply click on make video to animate it. Look at the reflections on the car's body. You can actually see the buildings and sky mirrored on the paint. Even the way the sunlight hits the edges of the car gives it that luxurious commercial look. Now here is my bonus tip to you. If you want the best results using Grok AI, remember these 3 tips. Always use detailed prompts. You can ask ChatGPT to generate the prompts for you. Clearly describe the motion you want. Start with high quality images. These three things dramatically improve the video quality when you animate the image. So that's how you can create mind-blowing AI videos using Grok AI. If you want more tutorials showing powerful AI tools like this, make sure you subscribe. Then click on the video on the screen to watch the next video. And I'll see you in the next one.